Hi guys, Retro Tech Ralph here. Right, I'm alright. You know, before I've done drunk eBay, basically just gone on there and thought, stuff it, I'll buy it. I'm actually trying to cut down a little bit on the booze, so I'm having a dry weekend, but it was payday, so yeah, I went out buying again. Now, yeah, we played this. We played Guitar Hero at Rock Band at the National Video Game Museum in Sheffield about a month ago, and both me and the missus absolutely loved playing this. I had a guitar and Rock Band way ago. My original PS3. Well, I'm trying to think. Is it 13 years ago? Blimey, that passes pretty well. But when we're having the PlayStation 3 and it's done, it's on the cupboard, on the bookshelf over there, we wanted to get a Rock Band sort of guitar-y sort of thing. So I had a look on Marketplace on Facebook. They're on eBay. So this is sober Facebooking. So we got in touch with somebody, got the guitar. It's the Beatles guitar. I think it's the Beatles guitar. Fender Stratocaster, as it says over there. Beatles Rock Band. Can't see that because there's a shine on it. Original Rock Band. Rock Band 3. All these I've got the games. There's only, I think, Rock Band that hasn't got a manual, but what do they do? Where are we? A microphone. A foot pedal, the all-important dongle for the wireless guitar, a Rock Band 4-way USB splitter. So I'm guessing maybe needed to plug into one, maybe if you're having a full band on this. And I'll never get this on the camera to save my life, a full drum kit. Right. What I'm asking now is how much do you think I paid for all of these? Granted, they're all for the PS3, because PlayStation. I could have got either the Xbox 360 version or the PlayStation version, and I thought, stuff it, let's get the PlayStation because it was a good enough bargain. All of this, 30 quid. It's absolutely mint. The only thing that's missing at the moment is when she's bagged everything up, it's missing the drum kit. Oh no, sorry, the drumsticks. But I've actually fashioned a couple, so we can actually play this tonight. But what my major part at the moment is the guitar rattles. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to strip the guitar down for you and show you what's inside these. This is one of the guitars that actually has the buttons on the upper section of the neck as well as the lower section, so you can either play like whatever, and then you get really up for the high notes sort of thing. But it's exactly the same buttons: green, red, yellow, blue, orange. So let me get this out of the way, let me get this turned around and basically let you have a look inside what is inside a guitar from the Rock Band. Right, I've got this thing turned around. Little couple of scratches on the bike. I wouldn't expect anything better than this. For 30 quid, this is what, 45 euros, $45 for a full set of everything. It even came with the batteries. The battery compartment's off. So I've been unscrewing for you. You don't want to watch me screwing all day, do you? Right, so basically, you hold on the neck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, loads of screws. There's 2 smaller screws down here, so keep hold of them. The rest of these are all, actually the 4 of those are long, 2 of these are short, and the rest of these are the same size. 1 screw holes in the battery pack, and that goes there. You can't unscrew this part of the strap where it holds onto, but once you got the back off, they both drop out anyway, so there's no real problem with that once it hides underneath everything. So the strap's off, So the battery pack is also off as well. So, screws out, and the rattle inside here. Ah, hello. Ah, that's good news. Everything in here seems to be geared towards, it's gonna take some hammer. So everything is hot glued in place. So the thing that's actually rattling around is hot glue. That's a good relief. That's a I mean, I know I didn't show you the rattling. I don't really want to because it's just a rattle. So it's like old glue is kind of not doing too well. What's that bit for? Oh no. Is that pretend? That's a pretend plug-in for the corner there. Not even a reset button or anything like that. Fits on there. Yeah, here we go. So it just holds in place now. That's a bit odd that having that on there. Lost my bin. Oh well. Here she goes. So sensors on here for just a pressure switch. Nothing major, nothing fancy. You have a switch there. I don't know what that switch does. I had a guitar which only had the 5 buttons up here. I only played it in easy mode because I'm, yeah, like that. This could do with a little bit more gluing on place. Let's see, we'll take that one off. So that removes that. So you've got your battery pack to a switch, yeah, on-off switch over here. Isolates that. Dun dun dun. So what I'm going to do actually, since I've got this off, is I'm going to re-glue certain parts in here that I think have fell off. Let's keep that to one side. And where's the other one? Probably still in the, yeah, it's still in the strap. To take that off. The one I had before, I think there was one screw here and a couple of screws on here, and then the whole neck section came off. I'm not going to undo the neck. I don't think there's any point because all there is it looks like the end part way over here. That section will come off. Actually, yeah, let's take that off. Give me a second. Done. Screws out. And for curiosity's sake, there is absolutely nothing in here. There's a metal plate there for no reason, just to keep the head part on the neck. I'm betting that is just another cover. It'll come off there as well. That'll just have the back of the buttons on there. So it's very simple. 2 ribbon cables here will go to each set of 5 buttons there, 5 buttons there. That bit is quite disappointing really, but I suppose you could possibly swap out certain things if you wanted to really be a little pain in the arse and customize a lot. But there's no need for that with this. This is going to be as is. So what I'm going to do now, put that back together. I've got this part out. It's almost like it's kind of a Raspberry Pi sort of thing. I know it's not, but your small board controls all of this, and that's your wireless section, is it? Yeah, it's 2.4 gigahertz maximum. So that's a wireless transmitter, possible Bluetooth. Yeah, like I say, everything is on here to be in place. Let's see, oh. It's a resistor, variable resistor. Yeah, you know what I mean. Potentiometer? Yes, thank you. So up, down, left, right. That's where you control part. This is basically your joypad. On here you've got your start, your back button, your down. Yeah. So it's very simple, but it's a very elongated controller to put everything in. So give me 5 minutes. I'm going to glue it back in place. I think one piece of glue went there. This is just to make sure it's not going to be falling to pieces anytime soon and rattling when we play it. Yeah. There's a screw on the end rattling there. That's absolutely fine. So what else do I need? Maybe I'll put a little more dabs on here to make sure these connectors don't come off, including that one when I put the front back on again. Because nothing much is actually screwed in. It's either clipped in. What is it? Yeah, that holds most of that for your plucker, because it's a plucking instrument. I like a good pluck. As I do not know what that does. On a normal guitar, it'd do. Is it your pitch? You change for your pickups. You know, I used to play guitar. You know, not very well in my youth, but there's no need for any rebuilding, redoing, or anything like that. This is absolutely spot on condition. That's what we're gonna use it for. So let me get the hot glue out, stick it back together, and we'll yeah, put it back to as it should be. Okay, all done. All I've basically done is re-glued as much as I can, much as I need to. So a lot of it I don't really need to. It's in, it's solid, and to be honest, there's a lot of these the old glue parts, which is the quality of it is it's weirdly solid, but it kind of crumbles. So I think it's an exceptionally cheap glue that's been on it. So make sure everything that can fall off, they're never going to fall because they're soldered in place, and then it might fall off is in place and it's happy, and I'm nothing's going to rattle around at all anymore. Part over here, which was the glue that fell off on there, it's nothing major, but the people who are selling this thinking, oh, it's rattling, let's sell it and get rid of it. But it's not, it's nothing's broken on it. So everything's back in place normally, it's fine. I'm quite happy with this. All I'm going to do is put a bit of glue on this one. I'm going to put the connector on for the front, for the back panel with the battery pack. So if that ain't on, nothing's going on. And I do hope I remember which way around it goes. That's okay, I do. So yeah, nothing much to it. So really great little just sensors there for your strumming. I mean, these can take some hammer. These will get hammered. So it's definitely one of those things that you know will break. But it's surprising how these are out in about what, 2007? I think Rock Band Beatles. We got a date on this one. Dunno. 2009 probably. The original Rock Band was out 2008. Okay, so it came out straight afterwards then. So would they do a yearly one? Yeah, 2010. So yeah, I've got 3 games: guitar, drum kit, dongles. That's the only thing I'm missing with the at present. I've got a microphone as well. Is the drumsticks, which I fashioned these. Yeah, they'll do me for the time being. This were an old a blinds. Yeah. Some blinds we had in the house, and I've kept the plastic rods which you turn it and they open the blind and shut. Put some hot glue on the end, so I'm not going to kill the drum kit. So until the drumsticks turn up, I don't know what happened with that one. It's kind of a bit weird, but they'll do me. It's kind of hard, but there's a little bit of soft to it. Could have probably done putting silicone sealant on the end and making a blob on it and just letting it dry. It wouldn't be a yeah, not bad really. They're almost right length. Yeah. But for this weekend it'll do until it turns up in the post. Now let me get the back on, get this connector back on, glued back in place, and I'll have it switched on for you. Just to show you there, connector's back on. I've actually this square part here which does actually show you a little hole on the side. Looks like it might be a reset button on a different model or something. But kind of looks like where you, well, actually it wouldn't be where you plug the cable in if it was a real guitar, because that's round here. But that's there. That doesn't do anything at all. But that's glued in place, glued in. So let's get it back on and get this thing finished. If you're going to take one of these apart yourself, here's a bit of a warning. I did do this correctly, but make sure when you put the screws in, make sure you put this end in before you screw up. Otherwise you will screw up because you need to unscrew it all, because this doesn't screw in. The other end for the strap has a thread on it. So if you want to be left-handed, which is that way for me, that, so the things are up, then fine. But I'm right-handed, so this way around. That's already in the back anyway. You've got 2 holes, top and bottom, so you can have it either way around. So screw that into there, hand tight, so then your strap can go back over, and your job done. A few glue strings around, but that's not a problem at all. I don't mind that. But yeah, this is another good bargain I've bought. Why is that twisted round? Haha. Yeah, it really is twisted round. Oh, well, why? Yeah, oh, yeah. Why, God, why? You twist these around for me. Yeah, because that's that way around. That's in there. That goes around, that's on the inside of it. Give us a minute. So, everything back in place. Everything's screwed up. Get it a bit of clean, because it looks a little bit fingerprinty and stuff. I always remember if you're buying stuff second-hand, then yeah, you might have got certain people, they're not as careful with the stuff as others. I mean, this came from a couple with a couple of kids, and I think this must have been either the kids or the, I'm not sure if they were dads or not. They were only a youngish sort of lad. Well, yeah, I'm hardly ancient, but it just shows you. The only damage I've got is on this back corner here, a few scratches on the back there, but I couldn't give a monkeys. The cost of this is absolutely brilliant. That's a 30 quid for the entire lot. This, the drums, the mic, the games. I'm going to take this into the house now, get the PS3 out, and me and the missus are going to start playing Rock Band. Spot on. I'll be like that. I'll be it's up your street anyway. If it's not, then there's plenty of other videos on the channel. Check some out. Some are old, some are good, some are bad. So yeah. So we'll end it there. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.